In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Facebook photos to your design in Canva. We'll walk through this together from inside a Canva design. Make sure you're already logged into your Canva account and that you have a design open, because the options we'll use appear in the editor itself. First, look over to the left-hand side of your screen. This is where you'll see your usual tools, like templates, elements, and uploads. Near the bottom of that panel, you'll find an option labeled More. Go ahead and click on More. This is where Canva keeps additional tools and integrations that don't fit in the main menu. When you open More, you'll see a variety of options, including one labeled Apps. Click on Apps. This section is essentially Canva's app marketplace, where you can connect different services, including Facebook, so you can pull content directly into your designs. Once the Apps panel is open, you'll see a search bar at the top. Click into that search bar and type the word Facebook. Make sure you type it as a single word so Canva can find the correct integration. After a moment, you should see Facebook appear as one of the app options. Now, click on the Facebook app that appears in the results. This tells Canva that you want to use the Facebook integration to bring in your photos. When you select it, Canva will show you more details and options for connecting. On this screen, you'll see a button inviting you to proceed. Click to select that option. Depending on your interface, you may be asked to confirm that you want to connect your Facebook account to Canva. Select the appropriate option to move forward. Next, look for the Connect button and click on Connect. This is the step where Canva actually links to your Facebook account so it can access your photos. Don't worry, you'll have a chance to review what you're granting access to. After you click Connect, simply follow the on-screen prompts. These prompts may ask you to log into Facebook if you're not already logged in, and to grant Canva permission to access your photos. Read each prompt carefully and continue until the connection is complete. Once everything is connected, your Facebook photos will appear in Canva, ready for you to drag, drop, and use in your designs.